Hello again guys, and today I'm reviewing this LEGO Friends Forest Waterfalls set that's out back in summer 2021. Well, I got this at Legoland Windsor. Well, Mum and I are revisiting So let's take a look at the forest waterfall. As you can see behind this waterfall, there is a secret compartment with this blue jewel piece in it. And it had those pink flowers. And there's this, that's the squirrels' home. You can see there's the nut, some pine trees, a mini wooden bridge, and there's also a campfire place here with 2 seats, a pink mug, and a marshmallow on a stick. The set that comes with 2 mini doll figures and 1 animal in this set. Here ahead is Andrea in her same clothes with her binoculars. And here's Olivia in her cool summer's outfit. And here's this squirrel in this set. And there's also a scooter in the set. So you can see Olivia can go scootering. So she can go scootering over this wooden bridge. And it came with this instruction booklet. So I'm taking this foot through it. It shows some other Lego Friends sets. They're out back in summer 2022. Or I mean 2021. So you can see Olivia was scooting over this mini wooden bridge to see Andrea, who was at the campsite, while Paisley came along on her pink scooter so she can meet up with Olivia and Andrea. Well, that's my review on the Forest Waterfall, so I'll be back for another video soon. See ya!